Hi everyone. Today we're making Indo tofu fried tofu and soy sauce. And the vegetarian and vegan friend just following me. It's very easy and simple. So let's go. So and the sauce is easy. 1 tablespoon in the minced garlic. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sugar, half a tablespoon sesame oil. If you don't have a sesame oil, using to extra virgin olive oil is okay. And 4 tablespoon water. And green onion. If you want a more crispy, you put in the cornstarch or flour in the tofu. But there's no big deal, you guys. After 2 minutes, and just turn over in the another side. Like wow. Look at that beautiful color. And tofu, after 2 minutes, turn off, and 2 minutes, and just done. And on the other side, it's pretty, alright? First, put in the onion. Baby is a saucepan. And put the tofu. We making sauce. So in 3 minutes, it's done. So this one is done, and with rice, with the noodle, or just get eating, taste is awesome. Thank you for watching to my video. Thank you.
3, 2, Please like and subscribe on our videos.